And what you got to do is you got to take advantage, go on this page and check it out. Right? I'll be showing you other ways to look at the entire page. Now you can see here. Okay. Now if you see this particular page, let me just turn off the auto refresh so that we can stay on the section. So you got to turn off the auto refresh, otherwise the page will keep getting refreshed and take you back right to the top of the page. So now we have seen open above H4 and open below L3. So that is the indication of some strong momentum that can emerge in those counters. Now, if you see here, all right, now if you see here, there is this mention of H3 L3 rejection. So there are also rejection trades which are very, very powerful as part of the Camarilla pivot. So Camarilla pivots is a very versatile way of approach. So basically pivots are very versatile. All right. So now there are different ways to use it. Either you find a breakout or a breakdown, or you find failures. So here, like all of you have already seen the two F's of price action. So here what you are seeing is that there is a rejection at directly at H3 or L3, right? The prices were so weak that, or so strong that they did not pierce L3, or they were so weak that they did not cross H3. So if a price is weak, it will not cross H3. If a price is strong, it will not break L3. So that is the philosophy which we have used to highlight these stocks for you. So this is a H3 L3 rejection. So all the time, NeoTrader is pointing you to stocks that are showing some kind of price action. All of us believe that we are price action traders, but then price action traders is nothing if you don't know where the action is happening, because price action is happening everywhere in the market. Where will you focus your attention on? That's very important, right? That's what NeoTrader is doing for you. NeoTrader is telling you where there is action happening. So those who want to take rejection trades, and why these rejection trades are very popular. Rejection trades are popular because you are entering the trade right at where there is a possibility of a reaction to the other side. That means that if you see here, there is H3 L3 rejection. So this is a H3 L3 rejection. This is a H4 L4 rejection. So if it is rejection, means that prices are going down. The breakout means there is a price are going up. So let's take one examples from each, and let me give you a perspective of what this exactly means. So now if you go here, H3 L3 rejection, let's take Bank of Baroda. So let's click on Bank of Baroda now, and let's find out what this chart is saying. So now if you go and take a look at Bank of Baroda, right, and you can see here that there is a rejection at R3. So there is a rejection here. All right. So this is where it had come. So the rejection is still holding on, but then considering the nature of the market, okay, considering the nature of the market, you got to pay some attention. So as you can see here, there is some rejection happening, and that is what is highlighted by NeoTrader. So now based on the market situation and based on what is happening, you can decide to take a call. Now let us go and check out the other name. Okay, let's check out. There is a H3 L3 breakout. So here you are getting a message that there is a breakout. So you can see here there is a breakout from H3, and you are getting the alert there on NeoTrader. So constantly there is some action happening. Now if you just keep the Camarilla page open, you will get a very good idea of where the action is happening, in which stock it is happening, and at which level it is happening, so that you can prepare yourself to trade better. Now let's go and check out what are the other ones. You can see here there is rejection at H3, at H4, at breakout at H3 and H4. So now if you summarize the entire Camarilla page, okay, the entire Camarilla page is a series of levels which are getting defined. So the heat map has got prices above H4, prices below L4, then above H3 and below L3. In the same way, rejection at H4, rejection at H3, breakout at H4, breakout at H3. Because eventually the market is about either it's a breakout or it's a support resistance trading. So, or where the price is situated, how it is positioned, everything is mentioned here. And now the beauty is this is on an intraday basis.